today. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you have not, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. I'm excited because I am back with another wig review. So today I'm going to be reviewing this number right here. It is by Sensational and the style name is Rule Breaker. I'm really excited to try it because it has been a while since I've done a curly unit. I think it's been actually a little over a year. I picked this one up from samsbeauty.com. I think the last wig review I did was from a wig from Sam's Beauty too. They had pretty quick shipping again, I think, and they still had that same deal. I believe it was $4.99 flat rate shipping if you spent over $30. Ooh, this is nice. So this is what she looks like right out of the package. And I think I'm gonna like her. So she does come with lace around the hairline. Obviously it is very, very straight, so some manipulation will need to be done. And it already comes with a little pre-part as well. This is actually pretty nice coming right outside the package. That's just my hand underneath there. As far as cap construction goes, there are 2 clips on either side of the part, and there's also a clip at the base, and of course adjustable straps as well. I love the fact that the curls are very textured. This is not too silky at all, but it does have a little shine. It is a 1B, and it says it's recommended for 3C to 4A hair. You can shift side to side for a 3-way part. So you can have a left part, center part, or a right part. And it does come in a pretty big range of colors, but let's get this popped off and get her on. Oh yeah, it's snug. All right, so this is it with the lace still on, just plopped on the head. And I'm looking at myself in the camera because I'm curious to see what it looks like. Ooh, I think I love her. No, but I think I like her. They did throw in, I can tell, like some baby hairs here. Not gonna lie, I probably won't do baby hairs. I like them on other people, but I don't really like them on myself. So I'll get the lace cut off and I'll be right back. I have cut the lace off and that is what it looks like. No leave out at all. So this is if you just wore it like this, which you shouldn't. I mean, you can, of course, you can do what you want to do. This is center part. Let me show you. I'd probably wear it to the side. I don't know which side though. Let's see. So I like this side. I just like having one side with a lot more body. And then let's try it to the right. All right, so that's to the right. I mean, I like this side too, but I think my side is the left side. So first, let me put this back there to the left. Make a little bit more. I have my part where I want it, and I did bring out just a little leave out. What I'm going to do is twist my hair, which I am natural, but I did just get a silk press the other day. But I'm just going to twist it in with the curls that are already there. All right. So I took a little gel and now I'm just smoothing down my edges just a little bit, not too much because I don't want it to be too gel down. I just want it to blend nicely into the curls, and I'm just gonna fluff it a little bit. I really love the shape that it already has. All right, so tell me what you all think. Let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to take some outfit photos with this new accessory. AKA this new wig. This is so different for me, but I really like it. It's got so much body. I actually don't have any cons quite yet. I think my pros overall would be the fast shipping of Sam's Beauty, the fact that this is pretty much ready to go right outside the package. Of course, you do need to cut the lace, but other than that, it's pretty much ready to go. And I really just love the layers that are in here. So I don't have any cons yet. I'm sure some will come. But I will be sure that I put those. I probably won't do a YouTube video for that. I'll probably just share them periodically on my Instagram story. So make sure you're following me on Instagram and let me know your thoughts on this unit. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Remember to keep it fab.